Hi everyone, welcome back to my CAD channel. If you're having trouble with a quick measure command in AutoCAD and it's not working as expected, today I'm going to show you simple fix. You're using quick measure command and nothing seems to happen, or the cues change to unexpected mode. First, let's make sure we are trying to use quick measure command properly. If you're not getting the expected result, it's time to adjust your view. To switch to 2D wireframe, go to View tab on the ribbon, look for the Visual Style panel. You might find it under the Visual Style drop-down menu. In the Visual Style panel, select 2D wireframe. This view mode simplifies the display and often resolves issues with measurement tools. Once you have switched to 2D wireframe, try using quick measure command again. You should see measurements appearing as expected. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I will be sure to cover them in the future videos. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to more AutoCAD tutorial tips. Thanks for watching.